Hello everybody, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a bookmark in Google Docs. So let's start the video. First, open your document in Google Docs. Now click on the export in your document where you want to place the bookmark. Now go to insert menu at the top and scroll down a bit. Then select bookmark. You will see a small blue bookmark icon appear at the location you selected. So, there you have it. Now you have successfully added a bookmark within your document. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.